never celebrate my birthday. But it's my wife who set this meeting earlier because Neil and I were talking about the later date. But I am happy that she did it because this is my only chance to have a birthday, and it's very timely because at this age I find that we will accomplish our dreams and our vision and mission. We all be around.
Without being the president.
I think it's
Without being the president of the Philippines.
I take Noah's comment very well because I feel that with him around, he will do the job. So I don't have to look for others. Because my problem is, who will do the job? And we need people here. People we have.
Okay.
More.
We are all probably the same in saying what we want. That's my problem also. I just say, I cut the BS, but it's understood right away. People know what I'm trying to say. Now, if I hurt them in any way, sorry
What's your
na lang.
problem?
Yeah, because I did mean it I did mean it the way that's my problem, ang dating. Parating sinabi ko, ang dating, mali. Pero dumadating. Diba? Naintindihan.
Anyway, maganda because with what he's doing, he can do faster. Because in my case, I have the problem of not trying to put down people. I always use diplomacy, which sometimes it hindrance to
Okay.
limitation. And I'm happy here that he is our mastermind.
Mastermind. Ano, Bigato?
Bigato.